You've probably seen blue-eye grass in the springtime when you notice purple flowers in the landscape. This perennial is actually a member of the iris family, and it produces these beautiful purple flowers. This is Styrentium angustifolium, and you can find this and utilize it as an alternative to turfgrass in your landscape, especially in areas where you may have some water accumulation. These do very well in coastal marshy areas. And if you want to replace grass, this is a wonderful alternative. This is a semi-evergreen perennial that will come back year after year, and it produces these beautiful purple flowers. It doesn't get much taller than about 6 inches. You can choose to mow this, or you can let it go and let the pollinators just enjoy all of the nectar that these flowers produce. And it almost looks like you are in a meadow here. So when we're talking about sustainable landscape practices, and we're talking about plants that we could utilize as an alternative to turf grass, blue-eyed grass is one of those selections. Now, they can be a little bit difficult to come by. There are some native plant growers that you can contact on the internet, and local growers or native plant swaps can often be a good choice. But these do reseed themselves. They come back year after year, and this blue-eyed grass is a wonderful alternative to turf grass in the landscape. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.